after you have rolled your egg rolls, then we're gonna spray each side and put them inside the air fryer.
Today in culinary, we'll be making egg rolls.
So,
Miss Adams put the coleslaw in her pan to saute. We're going to add our chicken once it starts slowly cooking, and then we can start to brown it a little bit. This is mixed with flour and water to create kind of like a gluey substance to where we can seal the egg rolls and they don't explode while cooking.
This is our paper that we're working with. So this is what we use to wrap every single ingredient together.
She's putting the egg rolls in the air fryer now to cook. 6 minutes at 400. My cooking class experience has been a very eventful one. I've learned a lot of new stuff cooking with my new group, and I've learned a lot of new stuff in the kitchen.
My experience has been really fun in this class. I have a lot of past experience with cooking, so this is just a way for me to keep my skills sharp and get social and talk to people and get used to cooking with other people in the kitchen.
The best thing I've learned in this class is how to cook meat safely. I feel like that's a big thing that not a lot of people take into consideration, especially like you realize that you need a certain degree to cook meat in and how to not contaminate other foods, and I've definitely learned a lot more about food safety. So this class has definitely taught me how to cook a lot of food. I'm currently cooking my halal chicken because Miss Adams is very generous and she gives us all the food that align with our dietary constrictions.
Different people have different diets here, and the school district and Miss Adams are generous enough to go get a specific type of meats, a specific type of vegetables that some others can't eat. So we learn a lot about different type of foods and where it comes from. We usually watch videos and they tell us about where it originated, when it came to the USA and stuff like that.
Variations of flavors and different spices to try and open new taste buds that our mouths probably never got accumulated to try before. So I think that was also a really cool thing about here in culinary. As we're rolling the egg roll, bro, this is killing me.
Oh, I won't.
This, my egg roll.
We learned a whole bunch of stuff. Like last year I saw a whole bunch of my friends cooking pho and spaghetti and stuff, and I want to try stuff like that because I never cooked that stuff. And I really enjoy this class because it's really chill,
Today we have made chicken egg rolls. Some of the kids, it is in their culture and they've eaten it before. Some of them have never eaten it, so I like to expose them to things that they never had before. They learn manners, they learn how to work in teams, they learn how to clean, they get their food handler's card, and then each class they take, culinary, they get 3 college credits. If they take me 3 years, they get 9 college credits.
It's really crunchy, but then the inside is really soft because of the filling. The chicken, we seasoned it, so it's very garlicky but flavorful. The vegetable is very soft and tender. Wow.